If you have ever forgotten a login and needed to find it fast, this video is going to help you out. Today, I'm going to show you how to view saved passwords on Google Chrome on a PC or laptop step by step. This is really useful when you need to sign into a website, check an account, or recover a password you already saved in Chrome. And if this tutorial helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your taskbar, or the Start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Just make sure Chrome is fully open and you're on a regular browser window before moving to the next step. Now look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find all of the browser settings and tools. From here, click Settings. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment and look through the menu carefully. Once the Settings page opens, go to Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome organizes saved login details, payment information, and other autofill data. For this tutorial, we're focusing on passwords, so click Google Password Manager. This is the area where Chrome stores your saved usernames and passwords. Now, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This is normal and important. Depending on your computer, you may be asked to enter your Windows password or your Windows PIN. Go ahead and enter that information so you can continue. This step is there to protect your saved passwords from anyone else using your device. After verification, you'll see a list of saved websites and accounts. If you have a lot of saved logins, you can scroll through the list manually, or you can use the search bar to quickly find the website you're looking for. This makes it much faster if you already know the site name. Next, click the saved account you want to open. Once you select it, Chrome will show you the username and a hidden password field. The password will still be concealed at first for privacy, which is exactly what we want before revealing it. To view the password, click the eye icon beside the hidden password field. As soon as you do that, Chrome will reveal the saved password on the screen. Now you can copy it, write it down, or use it to sign into your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to view saved passwords on Google Chrome on a PC or laptop. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you forget a login. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.